Alright, WTOC, here is the Parris Island Marine Corps Band. Here they come to the Port Royal Sands for the 4th of July. The Marine Corps Band. Everybody come on down and let's have a good time at the Port Royal Sands. And there goes the equipment way back there. People still walking in. All over the place. This is what we got going on, WTOC, at Port Royal Sands, the 4th of July, and the Marine Corps Band is going to start at 7:30. Here's the Parris Island Marine Corps Band. They are getting off the bus right now, going down there to see them. Here's the view, the proud, the Marines, the Port Royal Sands Beach. They are still getting off the bus at this time, and there's a lot of people down here walking in.
These are the real
There you
heroes.
go.
Let's hear it. Come on. Keep me on safe across the board. Thank you so much.